My new coffee table, and it came with an ornament. So we got a fan of the coffee table. All right, just got my coffee table, set it up. It's a little difficult to put together by myself, even bringing it in. So I recommend you, if you're gonna lift it, 2 people, even the box itself is heavy. It took me about an hour to set up together, but once you set it up, it's beautiful. I put it here in my living room where we watch TV because I want to be able to save all the controls into 2 other drawers that it has. All right, 2 drawers, and then you got plenty of space here for anything else. Like I said, we're going to put our remotes there, and if you want to enjoy some popcorn at night and watch some TV, we can do that. Now the color of it, it's like a nice smoke wood color. So if you guys are looking for a beautiful coffee table, very simple to put together. It's just tedious because you do have to follow the instructions. But once you get it going, it looks outstanding. So perfect for any living room, any den, or anywhere you want to set up. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.